Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wisdom Bytes. As you all know that we were discussing about the corporate practices and we made several parts of corporate practices and some of the events which we will be having competition as in other colleges. So today it's the last part where we discuss about the corporate practices and corporate practices which we inculcate in the college days. So when we were speaking about the fest, we were discussed about different events like a best manager, marketing, best entrepreneur and HR as well. So today it's the last part and we are discussing about the finance. So as we all know that finance takes an important role in an organization. The same way, finance takes an important role in all person's life as well. So when we speak about the finance, how the festival will be conducted about the finance and in the other colleges, how the competitions will be held. Here, in the first round, they might have quiz or they might have some of the other activities like which is related to the financial activities. So as a basic one, first they might conduct about the quiz like what is the share rate ratios or something like those things. After that, we all know that now we have different kinds of investment categories in the online platforms. So based on that also they might have some of the questions. And after the quiz, second round, they might say this to have a financial analysis of the companies. So you have to compare the financial analysis of the company like Reliance from the last year to this year. They will give you the last year's financial budget and this year's financial budget. So we have to inculcate and we have to have the proper evaluation and we have to see that whether the company is in profit or loss. So how you will come to know about the profit and loss? So you might know what are the expenses and incomes which the company is earning in the last year. As same here, in this year, how much they are earning? What is their profit ratio? These are all you have to calculate and then you have to give the financial analysis. And the third round, they might give you about the funding or for example, if you have 1,000 rupees, so how we can fund it to the different companies and different shares, different markets. So this is also one of the important round. And third very important round which takes an emerging trend now is share market. So you have to invest in enough the companies about the shares and how it increases and how you have to have a proper information about share marketing. This also plays an important role. So apart from that, a very unique and very specific one is like budget. So they will give you around 1 CR or 2 CR. You have to allocate the budget for different areas. So as you all know that budget plays an important role in all the firms, even in the governing parties also having the budget. So how their expenses are, how they are spending the money in the country's development. So the same thing, you have to give the budget for the company's development and updations. Same way, last one, we might have biddings. As you all know that you might have aware of these IPL and other leagues where the bidding will happen. So same thing, they might give you around 100 rupees and you have to bid for the different areas. So these are the rounds which will be conducted in the finance related marketing. And if you are speaking about the organization, here also the finance plays an important role because whatever the function should be done in a company or in an organization, here the approval from the finance team has to be needed because for your expenses they are the approvals. When they allot the money, when they sanction the money, then only you can have a smooth flow of functioning in an organization. So this is about the finance and this is all related to your passion as well as profession as well. So I hope you understood and thank you for watching Wisdom Bytes.